My name is Natalia Rojas. I am 18 years old and I live in Chirihuana, Cesar. I study environmental engineering. My hobbies are listening to music and cooking. In the morning, I wake up, get ready, and have breakfast. Then I help my mom with the house. After that, I do my homework, then at lunch and dinner I continue. My family and I go for walks in the afternoon during the week and go to the park on the weekends. Thank you.